In a twist that could belong in a suspense novel, Ashley Biden, daughter of President Joe Biden, now finds herself at the center of an IRS inquiry. Her nonprofit has become a hot topic after a striking $250,000 gift, tied to Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, raised more than a few eyebrows. What secrets might lie behind this unexpected windfall? It turns out that Ashley Biden's Women's Wellness Spa, CE, failed to publicly acknowledge the donation it received in 2023 from Archewell, the charity of the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. The donation arrived during the last year of her father's presidency, and a vigilant watchdog has since alerted the IRS to the oversight. One can only wonder if this was a simple oversight or part of a larger story waiting to unfold. Stepping into the fray, the conservative National Legal and Policy Center, based in Philadelphia, has lambasted the center for flouting rules that require clear reporting of such funds. Paul Kaminer, their legal counsel, didn't mince words when he questioned how Ashley could claim a wage of just $12.75 an hour while suggesting that her reported workload might be overstated. He has demanded that she be deposed and that the IRS decide what civil and criminal penalties, if any, should follow. Could there be more behind these puzzling figures than meets the eye? At 43, Ashley Biden, a former social worker and the only child of Joe and Jill Biden, launched the Women's Wellness Spa, CE, in 2023. The center, a blend of calm and healing, offers guided meditation and therapies like EMDR, a method that Prince Harry himself has used and one that helped Ashley cope with the loss of her half-brother Beau in 2015. The echoes of personal grief and healing seem to pulse through the very walls of the center. Is this a place of genuine solace, or is there more hidden beneath its tranquil surface? According to Kaminer, an error slipped into the nonprofit's 990 forms, the standard tax documents filed with the IRS. While the donation was recorded in Archewell's own 2023 tax filings as the largest grant of that year, it was mysteriously omitted by the Wellness Center. The funds were earmarked to create a safe space focused on wellness for women who have experienced trauma. With such a clear mission stated on paper, why then was this significant gift left unreported? Both Archewell and Ashley Biden's organization have stayed silent when asked for their comments. The IRS complaint explicitly points out that Ashley failed to report the receipt of a $250,000 grant from the Archewell Foundation, founded by Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, while also noting several other reporting lapses. In a surprising twist, the center's total revenue for 2023 was just $170,296, meaning the donation overshadowed all other funds. With expenses tallying $115,138, the nonprofit ended the year with only $55,158 in assets. What does it mean when one large donation dwarfs all other income? In a strongly worded letter, Kaminer remarked that the sizable contribution naturally raised suspicions, given the political backdrop of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's bid to connect with President Biden and his family. IRS filings, submitted under penalty of perjury, are meant to be a truthful snapshot of an organization's finances. His letter insists on a full audit to trace where the $250,000 cash grant went and how it was used. What hidden details might such an audit reveal about this financial puzzle? Kaminer later told a prominent news outlet that he had no idea why the money was not recorded as it should have been. He admitted that a simple accounting error might be the innocent explanation, yet he stressed that the mistake was a glaring red flag demanding further investigation. The complaint also points to other inconsistencies, like the filing claiming 8 board members while only 7 were listed. And then there's the pay issue. Ashley's 990 forms report a 40-hour work week with total earnings of just $11,250 from July to year's end. That breaks down to roughly $511 a week, or $12.75 an hour, a rate not far off from what a fast food worker in Philadelphia might earn. Is this low pay a mere administrative quirk, or is it masking a more complex story involving politically related trips with her mother, Jill Biden? Before stepping into her current role, Ashley lent her expertise to the Delaware Center for Justice, a nonprofit focused on helping communities touched by incarceration. Kaminer warned that while criminal charges could be on the table for serious paperwork errors, it's more likely that the nonprofit will have to refile its forms and maybe pay a fine. This possibility leaves us with a lingering question: can a simple refile clear the air, or will the issues run deeper? Online, the Women's Wellness Spa, CE, offers only a few glimpses into its world through an Instagram account. Aside from a link for donations to a baby registry, the posts paint a picture of wellness and healing. One post proudly features a Clearlight infrared sauna, described as a tool to ease chronic pain from trauma and PTSD by lowering stress hormones like cortisol. Other posts boast benefits such as detoxification, better sleep, relief from joint pain, and reduced fatigue. The sauna, identified as the Clearlight Sanctuary I, retails for about $6,600 and comes with an ergonomic bench, colored light therapy, and full-spectrum heaters. With such high-end promises, can these tools truly deliver the relief they claim? The $250,000 donation also took center stage in Archwell's most recent impact report, where the organization celebrated its biggest achievements. The report explained that Ashley Biden's initiative, inspired by her own brush with the criminal justice system and her work with a women's reentry program, aims to create a safe haven for women affected by trauma by offering nutritious food, exercise, meditation, and therapy. A well-known lifestyle magazine also noted that the space aligns closely with Meghan Markle's mission to elevate mental health. With accolades and lofty goals in play, how will these ambitions stand up to scrutiny? Finally, the IRS complaint follows criticism from a right-leaning think tank, the Heritage Foundation, which argued that the Sussex donation should face a proper investigation, especially since it was made during President Biden's term. Niall Gardner, the director at the foundation's Freedom Center, called for significant scrutiny and full transparency, hinting that the donation might have been used as a means to gain influence. Sources close to the matter revealed that although Archwell reported the full $250,000 in 2023, the Women's Wellness Spa, CE, is set to receive it in two parts: $150,000 in 2023 and $100,000 in 2024, citing normal accounting practices. With the nonprofit's nonpartisan stance at stake, what more might be hidden in these unfolding numbers?